I wish I had friends. Friend is the new AI gadget on the block that with just a press of a button will let you speak to your imaginary 2D waifu. That will trash talk you because your real friends are too boring and soft to do it themselves. Or maybe they're just dying of second-hand embarrassment after you brought a privacy nuclear bomb into their homes. So from what I understood, you can pre-order your right friend device for $99 US. What you get is a toilet bowl cleaner tablet that is always listening when connected via Bluetooth to your iPhone. What happens to your data isn't very clear though. They want you to think that it's stored on the device and don't leave your friend's context, whatever that means. But it requires an internet connection, which probably means that your data is sent to some GPT model in the scary outside world. The real news here is that this is some VC-backed startup that paid $1.8 million for the friend.com domain name. What's even crazier is that some other tech bro called Nick built a similar open source product with the exact same name and claims that Friend's founder, Avi, stole his ID. But AV claims that Nick is the one who stole his original product, Tab. To which Nick replied that he actually stole it from Adam. Come on, get it right, dude. What's insane to me is that 3 guys got the same shitty idea and none of them thought about flushing it down the toilet.